Ready to start learning with Khan Academy? Let's create your free account in seconds. First, open the Khan Academy app and tap on Sign Up. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, or simply use your email address. Choose your grade level or area of interest, set your password, and hit Create Account. You will be taken straight into the learning dashboard where you can choose what to study. Use a valid email so you can track progress across devices later. Have you used Khan Academy before? Drop your favorite course in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.